In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add form block in Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to place a form on your page, preview its different states, fine-tune fields, adjust basic settings, and publish your changes. Start by opening your Webflow project and heading to the designer. On the left, open the Add panel and make sure you're in the Elements section. Scroll until you find the Forms category. From here, grab the form block and drag it onto the section where you want the form to live. Drop it inside a container or grid if you're working with a structured layout for clean alignment. With the form block selected, take a moment to review its built-in states. In the canvas, switch to the normal view to see the default form, then toggle to the success message to customize what users see after a successful submission, and then to the error message to write a helpful prompt if something goes wrong. When you're done previewing, return to the normal state so you can continue styling. Click into the name field to adjust the label, placeholder, and any helper text. Keep labels short and descriptive for accessibility. Next, select the email field and do the same, making sure the type is set appropriately so the browser can validate emails. If you want to manage spacing for both fields at once, select the Fields wrapper. This is a great place to control gap, padding, and responsive behavior so your form looks good on every breakpoint. Now open the Elements link or action settings where you'll see a Send to option. You can leave it as None for a standard form submission handled by Webflow, or choose Page to redirect to another page after submit, or URL to send users to a specific link. Pick the option that matches your flow, and keep in mind that for most contact forms, leaving it on None and customizing the success message is perfectly fine. Expand. Show all settings to reveal additional controls like IDs or attributes if you need them for integrations. Then switch to the Style panel to set typography, input borders, focus states, and button styles. Consistency matters here. Match your site's fonts, colors, and spacing scale. If you'd like subtle motion, open interactions to add tasteful effects, such as a button hover or a fade in when the form scrolls into view. When everything looks right, hit Publish to push your changes live. After publishing, submit a quick test on the live site to confirm that success and error messages behave as expected.